Hi guys, today I bought air5 from soundpeats. Let's unboxing it together. The first thing I can see cable type C, and what we can find here, yeah, I can see some of stickers. Panda, I love Panda. And air5 soundpeats. I'm so excited to try these earbuds. The design is different and futuristic, as you can see. Oh, good. Soundpeats. I will try and I will tell you about it in full video. This sticker, you can put this here or here, as you wish. I love it, so I choose the black color. If you like it, you can buy this from link in description and pinned comment. See you soon, guys.